This is one of the hardest things that you as a human being will ever endeavor to do, because it's so easy to psych yourself out. I'm convinced that 80% of people that fail, they talk themselves into failure, either subconsciously or blatantly. Think about what you've done to yourself as a trader. If you've traded with live funds and you've blown that account or accounts, you can go right back to the moment where you knew at that moment, right before you did it, when you still had money in the account, the day that you did like 25, 30 trades, over leveraging, trying to fix something, trying to just do whatever. At some point, it became like you just wanted to end it all because it was too painful. Just click until I don't have any more money left. I don't have the discipline to do it right. I've already convinced myself that I'm never going to do this, so let's just blow the account and be done with it. So subconsciously, what? Your mind tells your hand there's something to do. Push the button. But the chart's saying nothing about doing anything at all. You're never going to see a book written like that. But that's the stuff that goes on for real.
Yo, good morning, boys and girls. Happy hump day, everybody. Good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing? Say what's up in the chat. Don't be shy. If you'd be ever so kind, hit the like button for your boy. Appreciate you guys. What's up, Fairy? What's up, Hindsight King? Good morning, V's, Wolf Dubai, Fernando, Oscar, Mr. Nobody, Eric, Cherry, good morning. Good morning, everybody. It's time to lock in for hump day, boys. The government shut down. It was all just a big joke. They were just messing around. They were just kidding. Government shutdown ain't happening. We're in the clear. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, Chucky Sean? Becca Sempe. Good morning, guys. What's up, Dynamite? TRADEIFY is down? What do you mean? What do you mean TRADEIFY is down? I'm logged in. I'm logged in. Everything seems fine. What's going on? Good morning, everybody. All right, we got about a minute here till market open. We'll jump into the charts here. Let me turn the music down a little bit. So, economic calendar. Again, the government shutdown was a big JK LOL. So, we got the economic calendar events happening. Other than NFP from Friday was removed and it hasn't been added back. We do still have PMI news at 10 a.m. So we're going to obviously be well aware of, potentially waiting until 10 a.m. and that red folder news to pass before looking to do anything. Obviously, looking at the chart, we ended up selling off almost the entirety of the move yesterday from Monday. Sold that entire move back off, trading back below and closing below the new week opening gap, inversing this gap here on the 4-hour. We have a ton of, I guess you'd say, lower resistance liquidity resting below all of these stacked lows. Previous day low, Monday low, January low, December low. It's all right here for the taking, boys. It really is. So after yesterday and seeing everything close, it'd be hard to think that this doesn't want to probably purge lower, if I'm being totally honest. So we will see what we get. Market just opened up here, so I'll zoom in and take a look at this 5-minute gap. See if we just get a reaction right at open. Just see this thing dump immediately straight down. Potentially. We've been getting all week long so far. Monday, Tuesday, we've just gotten straight moves either up or down right at the open. So we'll see if it continues today, chat. It is not working. TRADEIFY or Ninja. I don't know, boys. I'm logged in. Is anybody else having any issues? I see a couple of chats in here. TRADEIFY is down. TRADEIFY. Yeah, I'm literally logged into TRADEIFY right now. I am logged in. I did have to reestablish my connections on TradeSyncer. You guys saw yesterday that it did not copy trade. So reestablished connections. They put out a notification that there was a connection disruption yesterday. So maybe it's linked. I don't know, but I'm logged into TRADEIFY right now, and my connections are all good. Not on NinjaTrader or TradingView? No, I'm logged in on TradingView. I am. Maybe I haven't tried to place a trade yet, so we'll see. Maybe when I go to place a trade, it won't work. So I guess we will soon find out, won't we? Here we go. But moving down straight at the open. Another straight move. Were we in a 15-minute at all? Yeah, 15-minute gap, 5-minute gap. Kind of a interesting read if you're going off just reading the gap, but structure here. Selling this thing right off. Dow Jones going up. NQ selling off. ES trying to play catch up here with NQ. So we shall see. We shall see. The best futures prop firm. Oh, I suppose it depends on what what you're looking for, and what your priorities are. But I gotta say, I'm still gonna say I'm no longer exclusive with just TRADEIFY only, but I still think TRADEIFY is probably taking the cake, to be honest. If I had to pick, I mean, TRADEIFY, Lucid's obviously really good, really competitive. They're a little bit newer, obviously, than TRADEIFY. And then if your goal is scalability, obviously only Apex allows you to have 20 accounts still. But they're tough because they have intraday trailing drawdown. Top Step is just because Project X always has issues, and Top Step is greedy little piglets. But Chucky wants to go in VIP room. Chucky, I've seen your name twice in chat. And it hasn't been positive so far. Chucky, what's going on, man? Talk to me, Chucky. Why are you so down in the dumps today? We need good vibes in here, Chucky. Chucky, come on, it's hump day, bro. It's hump day. Go TRADEIFY. Yeah, I like TRADEIFY the most. If I had to rank them. If you put me on the spot here, my fund of futures is good too. I mean, the new flex plan is good. I scooped up that. I scooped up Lucid accounts. Today is the last day of the Apex 90% off, so take advantage of that, boys and girls. But I'm not going to be able to full port F at NFP with the Apex evals on Friday, boys. What the heck? I was looking forward to full porting some Apex evals on Friday, but what the heck? Now I gotta wait. I gotta wait till CPI next week, dude. Boo. What the hell's going on here? How do you like Apex? I mean, I'll be honest with you, boys. I hate the intraday trailing drawdown. I don't know anybody that loves it. It's tough. It's just like if you're taking on Apex. You're taking on Apex because, one, the accounts are cheap when they run like these 90% off sales. And you're basically trying to gear up for that potential of getting a nice buffer built up. And then from there, it's all bets are off, right? So besides that part, you know what I'm saying? Like they're doable, but yeah, I'm not gonna mince words, boys. They're tough. They are tough. Yeah, previous day low incoming is what I'm expecting, to be honest, but we're kind of stalling now. We're stalling a little bit. Yeah, this level hasn't been taken out on anything else. Perhaps we should be gearing up to maybe look to play this, but why are we stopping short? Why are you stopping? Just SMT'd this local high. Is it gonna reject here, or is it gonna really leave? Is it gonna leave previous day low like that? Is it gonna leave previous day low like that? Wow. You tricky son of a gun. What are you doing? Meanwhile, you got Dow Jones about to take out the previous day high. Ain't that something? NQ about to NQ really close to previous day low, and YM close to previous day high. Can't make it up, boys. Can't make it up. Bro, if we get a clean inversion here on the 1 minute, do we just sell this? Do we just sell the bloody piece out of it? Or we're just gonna hold it anyway. All right, fine, whatever. Do whatever you want, Nasdaq. It's your world. We're all just living in it. Yeah, I don't know. I guess I'll find out here, boys, when I put a trade on if TradeEvade is down. I'm logged in on. I'm literally logged in on TradingView right now. My connections are all good on TradeSync. I guess we'll find out. I'm not sure what you guys are. Let me check some Discord chats here. Are they talking about it in these prop Discords, boys? Is this an official announcement? Let's see. TradeEvade announcements right here. Let's see. Okay. Everyone, we are aware of issues logging into TradeEvade, and we are in communication with NinjaTrader. Please refrain from creating intercom tickets at this point. Okay. Looks like it's an official announcement. At least I see it in the TRADEIFY Discord. My funded futures. Yep. Yeah, I don't know what to say, boys. I don't know. I guess I'm gonna find out if I put a trade on if I'm actually unable to trade this. But I'm, as of right now, I'm logged in. I even logged out and logged back in this morning, and I had no issue. So I guess we'll find out. All right, guys, this gap is actually holding bullish for the moment. Jose, what are you doing, dude? What the fuck is this? We closed like literally right at the low of the gap. What are we doing? Why did I remove the limit? Because I was getting ready to market execute. But this candle closure was not really good enough. So I'm just chilling right now. Sexy candle close? Yeah. Yeah, I mean Apex is good. It's just tough if you're used to other prop firms. Other prop firms are easier because of end of day trailing drawdown. But if you're trading Apex, it's probably because you're trying to go for a lot of accounts, and you're hoping to get over a buffer at some point. But it's tough, man. I'm not gonna sit here and say Apex is easy. It's not easy. It's probably best suited for, like, especially in the early stages. It's probably best suited for like really short scalpers. But please close the background music. No. No, thank you, ass first. All right, well, nothing doing yet here, boys. We still have news at 10 a.m. Remember that. So as we kind of get a little closer to this event, this is pretty typical, I would say, like for like market open when you have 10 a.m. red folder news, is like we get some pretty choppy back and forth. New 15-minute candles about to open up here. We are just so close to this previous day low and Monday low. We are very, very, very close. Kevin, what are you doing out here making sense, man? What are you doing out here making sense, Kevin? He says, guys, RELAX. Got a little smudge on these glasses, boys. Let's get that taken care of, yeah. Will I trade into the news? No, that's not my plan, no. My plan is not. I mean, I was kind of thinking that if we got this inversion here, we could maybe get a quick rundown, but we're so close to this, I kind of would expect it to be hit before the news. Potentially news could be the driver that sends us lower, but new 15-minute candle here. Oh, fuck off, bruh. I just tried entering short, boys. All right. I'm going to complain about the maintenance now, too. TRADEIFY maintenance. Looks like there's technical issue with TRADEIFY integration at the moment. I told you, boys, I was going to find out once I tried to put a trade on. Oh, yeah, I guess I can't trade this. All right, maybe it'll be a blessing. All right. Can't trade at the moment, I guess. Not on TRADEIFY. Damn. I didn't get the smudge fully. Anyway, yeah, I just tried attempting a 3 micro short from this gap in low to see if we could get an expansion down to these previous day lows before the news. My stop would have been like right up here, so let's see if it would have played out or not. Maybe the TRADEIFY maintenance will be a blessing, boys. Maybe it's God saying, "Listen, bruh, don't trade this." All right, that's all we can hope for, chat. Also, I need to turn my nightlight on. Yeah, there we go. Holy shit. Flashbang charts, jeez. What's my thoughts on Hawk Tua coin? What? Great investment. Would definitely buy more. not financial advice, chat. Oh shit. Did anybody in the chat actually buy Hawk Tua or Hawk coin? It was called Hawk coin, right? Yeah, boys. Blessing in disguise there. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. All right, looks like we're probably going to get chop here until the news. I don't know if we're going to be able to put a trade on anyway. I guess we're going to have to find out. Damn. Is Apex available in Afghanistan? Dude, I don't know, man. Maybe. I have no idea. You're gonna have to just try and check out, I guess, and if they lets you, then there's your answer. If I tried trading on TRADEIFY, yeah, I don't really care for it, to be honest. It just seems like I get that TRADEIFY is like a little bit there's a little bit of latency with TRADEIFY, so that's why people dislike it a little bit, but I'm sorry, with TradingView. But you know, every single person I've ever seen charts on TradingView, and then if they execute on other platforms, they still use TradingView as like their main charting platform. Like, to me, it's just less clunky just having it all in one. Like, what, you might miss out on like a couple ticks because if you market execute on TradingView instead of something else. Like, it's not really that big of a deal to me. Oh, boys. Well, let's see, boys. This was the trade I just tried entering. I just tried entering this trade here. My stop was, I was gonna put my stop like right at these body highs, and then I was gonna target these previous day lows. This was the trade I just tried entering. TRADEIFY didn't let me enter it. Stop would have been saved by the hair of my chinny chin chin. Would have 100% thought stop out was incoming here. News in 9 minutes. Yeah, we'll see if he wants to get there before the news. Otherwise, news might be the catalyst that sends this. Yeah, I can't even trade. I tried entering it. It didn't let me. Yeah, it's weird. I'm logged in. I just did. It said TRADEIFY maintenance when I went to go trade. In a trade but can't manage it, you'll be fine. I'm sure if anybody's in a negative realized position from today, they'll probably prop firms will probably honor it, or not honor it, but reverse it, I should say. Man. Well, just when you think you've found a new way to miss out on a trade, the universe provides a new way to miss out on a trade. How about that? I don't know if the news will show us necessarily a big move. I think it'll show us probably a quick reaction, maybe a manipulation down. Guess we'll see. Why can you not send pics here? Because it's a YouTube live chat, man. Try the Discord. No nudes, please. Few picks only. TRADEIFY is back. Some of you guys are saying yeah, at this point, boys, I'd probably recommend just chilling until the news. This price action's dog shit. All right, I see you, Felix. I see you, Felix. Felix is riding shorts. One contract from 410. Buy limit 172. Nice. Break even, I might add. Break even. Risk free, just how we like it. Freeze up again. Yeah, but he's got his limit set, so he should be good. Unless it like triggers one limit and then the other one doesn't get canceled or something. Usually it cancels both though if they're the same. Same order. Well, all right, guys. News in 3 minutes. Nico, what's going on? Yours ignored the limit? What do you mean? Did you put a limit in here and then it just didn't fill it or something? Do I think Epstein has something to do with this? You know, he could. He might, yeah. That's the thing. That's the thing about old Jeffrey. Yeah, Nick, if it makes you feel better, it didn't let me enter here either. For what it's worth, I never tried reattempting it here. Some of you guys are saying TRADEIFY is back open, but if it makes you feel better, Nico. Your boy hit the market execute button and it said, actually, just kidding. Just kidding. Oh, you thought this was a good trade? Too bad. Yeah. Fuck you, pal. Wait till the next losing trade, then we're gonna let you get in that one. We're not gonna let you. We didn't let you get in this one because it was gonna be a winning trade, so we're gotta wait for you to hit a loser, and then we're gonna let you get in that one. Thanks. Yeah, there's previous day low, chat. First target, definitely break even there if you are in this. Pretty choppy and messy, though, up until, obviously, leading up to this 10 a.m. news. Did I trade already? I tried Goodfellas. TRADEIFY was down, so it didn't let me execute. It said maintenance or something. Good morning, Bella. Bella, how we doing? Backup. I didn't stop using Top Step. I just stopped talking about Top Step because they're greedy little pigs. They don't deserve to have their name uttered out of these lips. We're not on good terms. What's up, TG? T-Money. T-Money, can you believe this, bro? I just tried shorting this, and TRADEIFY didn't let me get in. What the fuck? Just when you think that you're going to get a clean one. Is TRADEIFY back, guys? Is TRADEIFY back? And people talking shit about project. Yeah, there it is. So here's the news, boys. There's previous day low from Monday. We do have other areas of liquidity we could still reach for. January low at 26. And December low at 887. It just, go figure, though. Wouldn't have been the easiest hold, though. But thank you, Benjamin Netanyahu. All right, boys. This is a safe space. Safe space. If anybody wants to vent, you've got 120 seconds where you can vent in the chat without judgment, and then we got to move on. Boys. Nothing we can do about it. Nothing we can do, guys. Out of our control. Come on. Come on, boys. You got 90 seconds. Vent as much as you want, and then we got to move on. Damn, TRADEIFY, damn you.
Rule number 1, you gotta be quick. Rule number 2, don't fall down. And rule number 3, whatever you do, never look back.
Yeah, let's get a good crash. Let's get one good crash out in. What do you guys say? Let's get a crash out, huh?
Oh my gosh.
Come on.
There he is.
$20 to anybody that does this and sends it in the Discord. The $20 will not get you back a fresh laptop, but if anybody does it, hey, listen, $20, $20. All right, boys. Time is up. No more venting. Plus, you guys are saying TRADEIFY is back, so.
It's Brittany, bitch. And I am back.
All right, does everybody feel better now? Everybody feel better now? Hopefully. Shake it off, right? Get a little stretch in. Oh. I did redeem it, yes. We definitely redeemed it. No longer throwing the internal server error for me, but the firms haven't made an announcement. Yeah, I didn't see an announcement from the firms yet. But for those of you guys that said TRADEIFY is back, did it just let you log in, or were you actually able to execute a trade? Let me know, let me know. Felix, $20 best I can do, man. Well, if you do it, Felix, my biggest piece of advice would be film it and then post it on like TikTok or Instagram with like some funny trading related caption. It'll probably do numbers. Check Discord. Oh God. I've seen this picture before. No. We need the video. We need the video of the full crash out. I've seen this. Why have I seen this before? That's funny. Yeah, you almost had me, correction. Not today. You gotta earn those $20. Listen, $20 right now will get you a fresh 50K Apex eval. I'm telling you, man. Might be worth it for someone. Look at Michael saying pay the trader. Well, this isn't anything new. I almost, dude, I was so close to starting a little, well, it's not really a beef, but I just decided not to say anything just because I'm like, it's just not worth it. But I was pretty close to like starting to talk smack with him on Twitter yesterday. Just because of the whole, he posted, it wasn't gonna be anything too serious. He posted something about, I told you boys, Bitcoin wasn't going above 127K. And I was just going to be like, well, yeah, you also told us that you were going to delete your YouTube if it hit 100K. So at this point, what do we don't know what to believe. I decided not to, though. There's still a chance that I could get in the will, so I can't Can't risk it. Are we good, though? Are we good? Let me check. Is there any actual announcements here? Nothing here. General announcements. Technical announcements. This is at 8:38. I don't see any announcements saying it's back yet. What's this guy saying? Yeah, man, I see concepts do work, but that's the only thing positive. Otherwise, he's just egotistic maniac. Oh, he's... Why are you chatting in here and not in the live chat? Or are you doing both? I guess I wouldn't know. ICT, if you're listening, brother, we still love you, man. Come on, man. Look at him. Why is he typing in here instead of in the chat? Wolfie. I mean, I've been logged into TRADEIFY. I never was not logged in. The only issue I had was when I actually tried to put a trade on. Connections are still good on TradeSyncer. See if we can inverse this 5 minute. If we can inverse this 5 minute, I might attempt something like that. Right to our London high. Yeah, we got SMT at the low as well. I see it. Oh, I see it. $135-point stop. You guys are gonna love that. Try to go. Fuck, why does it do that? All right, we didn't inverse anyway. Why does it do that sometimes? This is probably the most annoying thing that I've had to deal with this, whatever this new order doc has been with TradingView. It's just been like, watch this shit. See, I don't want to fucking put the trade on yet. So I got to do this, this. I'm just looking at, okay, yeah. All right, sick. I'm trying to frame my risk up here. No trade here yet, though, guys. This inversion did not happen. We're still holding this 5-minute bearish gap, so we could potentially see a new leg lower. Oops. Tell me why. One minute, 2 minute, 3 minute. Waiting on this 5-minute gap, guys. Lucid said that it solved the issue. Did it say that I gotta log out and log back in? Just join the Discord. Cupboard Dweller. Yeah, sorry about that, dude. I don't know, bro. I don't know how to fix that, bro. I really don't. I'm sorry. Issue's been resolved. All right. Please do not reset or remove any dashboard or any accounts that negatively impacted by the outage. Okay. All right, guys. Don't remove your accounts, boys. Don't remove your accounts. It doesn't say. Hopefully, I'm good to put this trade on if need be in the next 2 minutes, but. Should I log out and log back in to be safe? Might as well, right? Shit. Might as well. Now the question will be, will the copy trader work fine? Oh, fingers crossed. How long we got? A minute? Okay, yeah, we got some time. We got some time. Oh, yeah, reconnect, boys. Reconnect your trade syncer connections. Now it's popping up. Okay. Reconnect. Come on, man. Well, hurry up. Come on, man. You don't cut in front of a black man in a buffet line. What's wrong with you? Oh, come on, man. What, are you kidding me right now? What? Now I'm disconnected? All right, no trade yet on this anyway. But I gotta see if I can get. It says that I'm disconnected on TradeSyncer, on TRADEIFY, my funded futures. My Lucid connection is good. So I may have to. I'm just gonna delete these, I think, and re-add them. Delete. Well, at least the trade's not running away while I'm doing this. That's good. All right. Enable all. All right, we should be good. We've logged out, we've logged back in, we've reestablished connections. We should be in the clear, chat. Can you explain why you are against the trend? What do you mean? I'm not. What are you guys saying? We took out a significant low, and I'm saying if we get this inversion, I'll look to long it. If we don't get this inversion, I'm not going to look to long it. I could check out the 1 minute. It's gonna look pretty messy. What, like, what do you want me to see here? A 1 minute gap, BPR. Is that it? We also we got a little 5 minute bullish gap on ES. Yeah, scan it. It'll give you wisdom, chat. If anybody broke their computer because they missed this trade from earlier, when TRADEIFY was down, scan this for a new PC or a new monitor. It probably won't work, but it's worth a try. All right, ES just tapped that 5 minute. We'll see if it wants to respect and find support here, or if we're gonna keep selling off. Remember, there are lows we can reach for still, so I'm not resigned to that potential outcome. Project X CEO. I mean, that's literally Top Step CEO, so it's the same person. Ultimately, I think we're going straight down. Yeah, hey, maybe. We might be going straight down. This might be the end of the markets as we know it, chat. Get ready to load up. Isn't that just so fitting? This is also, I was thinking about this the other day. I'm like, you know what? They're going to crash these markets. And the bottom of this crash is going to be right around kind of the end of the tax deadline. They're going to collect all these taxes, all this money from taxes. And then they're going to be buying everybody's panic short squeeze positions. Everybody's going to be panic selling. And then smart money is going to be accumulating. Government, the IRS are going to take our tax dollars, give it straight to Benjamin Netanyahu, and then Benjamin Netanyahu is going to buy where everybody else is panic shorting. I've seen it 100 times. They have to do this on Black History Month? Yeah, what the hell? $10.37 macro. 1020 has been whatever reason this like catapult when we get like conditions like this. 1020, if you know, you know. We're just ping-ponging this 5-minute gap. Shar starting to maybe look like reversal. Reversal. Reversal higher or reversal lower? Felix. Also, Felix, didn't you hit TP? From the trade you sent in the Discord, it looked like, yeah, you definitely hit TP, right? Nice. Nice.
Nice.
What's up, Rinks? Oh, here we go. The 1023 macro, chat. I should start plastic maxing? Like plastic surgery? Hell yeah. Only cut food on plastic cutting board. Oh yeah, get all the. I should get all the microplastics in my semen. Then I should get, vaccinated, triple boosted. Just have a full blown alien. All right, boys, I'm in. Not going to set a limit because I know how you guys get. Not going to set a limit. I know how you guys are. It is a fat stop though, points wise. All right, we're in long. Let's see if we can get this pump up towards London. You can do it. Oh, fuck me, bruh. Sorry, excuse my language. Come on, man. Lucid said it was connected. My Lucid account's didn't copy. You son of a gun. That's a bummer. Always something, chat. Always something. Stop is a bit too big. Bro, the stop loss doesn't matter as long as you got the right size. I can't control how big these ranges are, dog. What do I look like, Benjamin Netanyahu? I do? Fuck. Oh, I wasn't expecting that answer. Damn it. Oh, great. Should have set a limit. Looks good. I wonder if I should add a position here to my Lucid accounts here. Let's see. Then I'll be doubled up on the others. What time is it? Almost 10:30. Here's your 30-minute structure currently. Went short. Cause liquidity, dude. I tried going short earlier. TRADEIFY wouldn't let me though. I was joking when I said the next time it lets me trade again, it'll be a losing trade. Hopefully that's hopefully, I didn't mean it. I was just joking. It was just for funsies. I didn't mean that, but humor, right? I love when people say, like, Gabriel's like, be careful. He goes, it might go up, but it might go down. I know you're joking, Gabriel. I just find it funny when people are like, careful. Okay, I'll be real careful when I click my buttons. I'll press them with ease. Careful. Oh God, okay. I'll be gentle. No, you didn't, Supreme. Quick cap him. You won't. Supreme, if you like little boys, just say that. You know what I mean? You know, you don't got to do this you don't got to do this cat and mouse game with me. If you like little boys, just say that. You know what I mean? The only little boy you like is me? Well, all right, now you're trying. Not chill with the glazing, bro. Now you're trying to butter me up. Well. Are we just going to inverse this gap and then dump anyway? I just wondered if Supreme faded the first trade. I mean, the first trade hit TP. I just couldn't execute because of trade of it. He was quiet then. Always cherry picks the drawdown. Life. Holy hell, chat. This is the end. Send in Discord. What'd you send? Supreme here. Oh, are you new, Supreme? Oh, he just joined. He just joined. Second position of the day. Let's see how it runs. He is in short, indeed, with 1 micro. Wait. Hang on. Oh, shit. Wrong one. 2 micros? What? Wait, what are we looking at here? 5-second chart? Holy fuck. Damn, Supreme. Supreme, save some women for the rest of us, would you? 5-second chart, dude. Damn. I can usually only last a couple of those candles. Supreme, I'm just glad that you didn't change the parrot profile picture on my account. All right, bro. I'm just gonna cut it, I guess. Fuck it. All right. I told you, boys. Market was gonna not let me take the short for the win, but it let me take the long for the L. Go figure. Didn't think it was a bad idea though. Took out both previous day low and Monday low. Had SMT at the lows with ES. Got this 5-minute inversion to the upside. Low resistant run here is what I was eyeing up. So we're dumping. Benjamin and Yahoo said lower, so lower we go. This candle just flipped back green the moment I clicked exit my position. Are you fucking shitting my fucking dick? I think I would have hit stop though. My stop was like just below 50% of this wick. Bro, what the fuck are you doing, NASDAQ? Are you shitting me? What are you doing? What is this? All right, we might have to bring out a second crash out session. What the fuck is happening? What does a 5-second chart? What does a 5-second chart look like? Holy rally! The fuck? Dude, what the fuck? No. You fucking go lower now. Stupid fuck. Excuse my language. Bro, what the hell are we really doing? The 1 second from the... I see it now. I see it now, yeah. I closed in the rejection block. Oh my god, bro. I'm so fucking over this shit. Parentheses, I'll be back tomorrow. Speaking of boys, I saw the fucking funniest TikTok last night. I'm gonna show you guys it here in just a second. I actually might rejoin this long, but bro, I mean, what the fuck are we doing? What kind of shit is this, bro? Inverse, reclaim, inverse. JK, LOL, just kidding. JK, LOL, okay, I'll take it. Okay, I won't. Okay, I will. Get my news up. Trump made a post on China. What did the post say? Just fill me in, bro. I had to delete Truth Social. It was like getting too much. I was getting too many notifications. We all got manipulated. Oh my goodness. Not a post, it was a phone call. Yappa, Bertama, Barak. All right. Anakin, what the fuck, man? Yo, I just gotta show you guys this at this point. Let me see if I can pull it up actually. This I was literally dying laughing at this. Oh, hang on. I was dying laughing at this last night. It reminded me of some of you guys. Here we go. All right. Hang on, I'll start it over. Dude, I was legitimately dying laughing at this.
Can't wait to copy trade today.
Yo, boys, full port this short. This should pass y'all's
this
account.
Short he has. Let me enter this. Place stop loss.
Put your stop right there.
What the fuck?
Oh, shit. Drake candle, boys.
Dude, you just said this trade would pass my fucking account.
All right, yeah, I'm getting off
Why
for the day. Took my loss.
Oh, fuck
Y'all
no,
boys have a good rest of your day.
Fuck no, dude. Can't wait to copy trade today.
Yo, boys, full port this short. This should pass y'all's
this
account.
Short he has. Let me enter this. Place stop loss.
Put your stop right there.
What the fuck?
Oh, shit. Drake candle, boys.
Dude, you just said this trade would pass my fucking account.
All right, yeah, I'm getting off for the day. Took my loss.
Oh, fuck
Y'all
no,
boys have a good rest of your day.
Fuck no, dude.
Dude, oh my god, I was laughing so hard last night. I actually almost puked. No, okay, I'm being a little dramatic, but dude, I was laughing. I was like full blown. Abs were hurting laughing. That shit was funny. Dude, that's literally, you can't convince me that's not some of you guys. Oh my god. Fuck. Yeah, that was funny. Y'all enjoy the rest of your day. Oh, everything about that. Just perfect cinema. That was great. What does black people have to do with it? Look what you sent in the Discord. I should probably be careful with just what I pull up on here. Oh, dude, somebody sent this pic earlier, Gaz. We're just watching TikToks now while we're waiting. Next macro here is in a few minutes. I was waiting. I was almost gonna rejoin the long move if this 5-minute reclaimed this inversion, but should I do some reaction videos to some of this stuff? But you guys are just flooding this now. Felix, I don't know what it is. I just see an Israel flag. I probably shouldn't click it. Oh shit. Oh, sorry. Sorry. I was muted. Habibis. Come on, man. 11 a.m. macro hasn't even started yet. Where are you going? Classic head and shoulders on the 1 minute, you're saying? Shoulder, is this the right shoulder? Or am I left shoulder, right shoulder? Chino, what are you talking about, bro? Chino says, I feel like Tyler only exists while trading. Like, once the stream ends, he just sits in his chair and waits for the next stream. Come on, man. You're telling me you're missing out on all the funny TikToks and Instagram Reels? And occasionally funny tweet? Felix, I just gotta be careful because I already have a track record already. I got a track record already that I've already started building up, and I gotta tread lightly. You know what I'm saying? The tweets are AI. I don't know, boys. When when the people ask, like, you got any trades? Can I take credit for the short if I did try executing it, but it literally didn't let me because TRADEIFY was down? Can I take credit for that or no? Like, I not only framed it up along with the target, I literally hit the sell button. It just didn't let me in. Can I count that? Why can't I count that? It didn't hit my stop loss. It did hit my target. I did hit the sell button. It just said maintenance. Why can't I count that? I can't count that? I mean, I did everything. I did everything I was supposed to. I'm a victim of circumstance. That's cheating. It kind of feels like cheating, I guess, a little bit, just because there's a little asterisk next to it. But what more can I do? I mean, literally, what more can you do? You do the analysis. You try taking the trade. It just doesn't let you take it. I mean, what the heck? What more can I literally do? ICT would count it? Well, that's all that matters then. If ICT would count it, then I got to count it. Yes, Felix. I'll listen to it after stream. Relax. I will. I swear. Sus blocks? Where? Don't see why people get so mad at Top Step outages. At least they gave free accounts in return. Well, the thing is, they own Project X, so it's quite literally like their platform. So the least they could do is give free accounts. Yes. What do other firms do if there's a negative trade using TRADEIFY? TRADEIFY is not owned by these prop firms. They just use it. So they just honor, or I should say, remove negative trades when there's technical issues. Well, chat, what's our thoughts here for 11 a.m.? Another candle lower, or what even happened today? Why does today feel like so eventful? And yet, this is what we look like on the 5-minute. I don't know what to think anymore. Everything I've been taught since I was a child is a lie. Price going lower. Yeah, what was I never even looked at this. Oh, okay, yeah. So it was most of you guys were bearish today. Yeah, I felt like the draws lower were pretty clear, at least like the short-term lows. Can't make this stuff up, chat. Yeah, we gotta have to wait for something here. We're generating obviously some low resistance. It's kind of just wedging up, if I'm being honest, right? So we got low resistant lows here. We got low resistant highs. The only thing that's like, so if you look at like the hourly, look at ES here. hourly chart. Like ES is still on this hourly candle with 3 minutes left, holding this hourly gap, and we've already taken out these lows on NQ. So ES is still holding this hourly gap, which is why I'm still like holding out hope for like this to find support and then trade up for this internal high here. But you see NQ hourly candle flipping bearish and probably closing below this previous day Monday low. He will unsub if I don't right now. Dude, Felix. No, you won't. You won't do it, Felix. You love it here. Felix, come on. Felix, don't be like that. No, no, you won't. Felix, stop it. Don't you dare. It's not a prank. Bro, why do you want me to... He wants me... For those of you guys watching, he wants me to play this little Israel flag song he sent. I already... Dude, I can't do it. I can't do it. The Mossad is watching me. They wouldn't troll your shit. I just can't chance it, bro. I just can't chance it. It's not you, it's me. Don't worry, nobody else is missing it. Everybody else, if they're in the Discord, can go right now, click it, and watch it. You know what I'm saying? I'm just going to have to wait. Well, damn. New hour incoming here, so we're going to get a bullish close on the hourly for ES, holding this hourly gap, obviously. And we just look weaker on NQ, unfortunately. Yeah, I don't know. I'm a little torn. Like, when I look at the NQ chart, I think lower, kind of basing how this hourly candle is closing, at least a little lower. We just left an hourly gap behind. But obviously, like I said, weakness here, relative weakness there versus relative strength on the ES. Let's watch these closely. I think if we do see price, you know, kind of ideally, I would like to see NQ maybe swipe these lows here, and then we see some movement up, but I actually may look to trade ES here. Because I'm tired of fighting it, boys. I'm tired of fighting this feeling. Ooh. Ooh. Aman, I was just wondering, do you love me or no? El Grande short. It's the same line I gave my ex, Kevin. Yeah, it's not you, it's me. It's not you, it's me. Jake, newsflash, spoiler alert, it was her. But about to run through the lows? Yeah, I hope so. I hope so. ES looks yummy. Yummy for longs or shorts? In your opinion, Blind Nico. Blind Nico, you said Head and Shoulders here. Are we gonna get? Or are you saying that for ES as well? Maybe you're saying the shorts look yummy because of the Head and Shoulders. Shorts? Oh, okay. Sorry. Gotcha. So you guys just like see the hourly gap on ES holding. You're just like, I don't give a shit. You're like, don't care. Not looking at ES? Yeah, I know, but I already pulled. I'm pulling it up. I showed you. You don't even have to look at it because I'm talking about it. Pull out the G-Wagon this year. That'd be nice. Why are you wearing blue light blocking glasses in the morning? Because I'm in a dark room with bright ass lights. Flashbang charts. My car history. My car history is first car was a GMC Jimmy. It was like a maroon color. It was basically a hand-me-down. Thing had like 300,000 miles on it. So that was like my first car in high school. And then my dad owns a auto collision repair shop, so auto body shop, that he forced me to work at basically all through middle school and high school. And my next car was a guy that brought in a Pontiac Grand Prix. He had just hit a deer with it, and it was he was willing to give it away for a pretty cheap price. So I bought it from him, fixed it up, drove that. That was my second car. After that, I had a retired police vehicle, a retired squad car, a Dodge Charger RT. That was pretty fun. And then 2020, I think, or 2021? 2020, I think. Got a BMW. 2020 BMW, and then 2023 upgraded it to a 2023. And I still have that car to this day. Daddy bought it and fixed it? No. Bro, it was a car that had just hit a deer. It was like he was selling it for like not even $1,000, and then I had to pay to fix it up. Now, my dad did not charge me for labor, so I guess in a way he kind of helped, but I still had to pay for the parts. But yeah, dude, I worked for my dad all through middle school and high school, and up until I turned 18, because I was his son. Apparently, there's like, this is legal to do, I guess. He could legally pay me less than the minimum wage. Obviously, as a kid, you don't really know the difference, really. But yeah, he could pay me less than minimum wage and get away with it because I was his because I was his child. And he did so. And yeah, literally would force me every summer vacation, winter breaks. Like I'd go in there, have the detail cars, you know, take parts off of vehicles, put parts on, prep parts for getting painted, whatever. So he forced me to. Kind of one of kind of one of those blue collar. He grew up on a dairy farm growing up, so he's kind of one of those like people that bonds over like labor in like, I guess, just like blue collar work. Nothing wrong with that. That's just his that's his thing. His idea of fun will be like calling me up on like a Saturday and be like, "Hey, I gotta go." Like he'll just like come up with like shit to do. He owns a bunch of land, and he'll just like come up with like, "Hey, let's go walk this 80-acre plot and cut fucking trees off of the fence line all around the property." I'm like, sick. I don't know, dude, this has generation. My grandpa's kind of like that too. That's just that's how they bond, bro. They bond over like manual labor. Tyler, you want to come over for 8 hours today and help me do all this yard work that I don't want to do, and then I'll take you out for lunch? Sure, Gramps. Sounds great. Yeah. You ever have a conversation about about day trading with individuals like that? They kind of just look at you like you're an alien. Yeah, quality. I mean, it is what it is, Chelsea. Yeah, it is quality time. That's how they look at it. So you try to, you know, if you don't have a good excuse, you sometimes just give in and say, "All right, yeah, I'll be there. I'll be there in a couple hours. Relax." But yeah, it'd be kind of nice. It'd be kind of nice if they found some other fun hobbies outside of random manual labor. Your dad made you pull weeds? Nice. $10.38 was the Trump tweet. $10.38. That's funny. Yeah, for those of you guys that are just joining late or maybe missed part of the earlier stream, I'll put on the executions you guys can see. So it's kind of hilarious, to be honest. But tried to go short up here prior to 10 a.m. news. Right here on the 9:46 candle. So after the first 50-minute candle closure, we did get this 1 minute slight inversion of the downside, and we had SMT at this high here. And I liked the draws. We had previous day low stacked here with previous day low from Monday. And I liked lower. I tried executing at that time. TRADEIFY was down. It said maintenance or whatever, but didn't let me enter the trade. It does play out right before the news and kind of like right at the news for this last target. And then from there, the trade that I finally did get in after TRADEIFY started working again was this, you know, previous day lows sweep. SMT at the lows with ES. 5-minute inverse to the upside is where I executed long from. And then we immediately started going lower. I closed in this wick right here. Like literally right after closing that trade before a full stop out, it pumps like all the way back up like in an instant. Apparently that was a Trump tweet. I was about to crash out if that just started flying to my take profit after, but crash out avoided, boys. It did not go. It did not go. So, and now we're just waiting, man. We're getting another drive down. 11 a.m. January low is at 25,026. So. But yeah, man, I definitely felt like the long that I took was not a bad trade. Again, previous day lows, sweep. I deleted the levels, but previous day lows, sweep, inversion for value gap on the 5-minute, SMT at that external low resistant run here below London highs. And at that time, ES, like I said, was holding an hourly bullish gap at the same time. So at the same time, ES had ran these lows out, holding this gap. It was creating this upper wick on this hourly candle at that time. Look good. Hourly candle still closed respecting the gap, so Perhaps 11 a.m. we'll see this gap give out. And then it's Armageddon, boys. But I do want to stay open to the move higher, kind of until that hourly gap gets inversed on ES. I'm thinking. Do I receive emails? You want to throw out some ideas for your YouTube channel and just say hi? I respond to DMs if they're reasonable DMs on Instagram usually. I don't answer all DMs. Some DMs are just, obviously, as you guys would probably imagine, are kind of ridiculous. But yeah, dude, I don't know what to do about the Discord stuff, bruh. I remove all the tilers from there, like the fake tilers, but if you get friend requests from tilers after entering the Discord, that's sorry about it. They're not me, and I don't know how to change. I don't know how to fix it. Just don't send anybody any money to trade for you. Same in every Discord. You got a Tyler calling you the other day? Luke, that was actually me. Don't mind the strong Indian accent. I was just role-playing. Yeah, Tyler. No, I always look up... Usually I just look up Tyler when I usually prune it like every couple days. So usually there's like one or two, sometimes more, different fake Tyler trades. They use like, it's just so crazy. They use like just a different variation of your name. They use your profile picture. They use like your same bio and all that. Makes you wonder how many people have ever been like totally rinsed. Is there a bot? I don't know if there is. I wouldn't consider myself like a Discord like expert. There's definitely probably some things out there that I could do. I can't imagine there's nothing I can do, but I'm unaware of what that would be. Yeah, TikTok's bad too. It's crazy too, because if you get all these like fake accounts on TikTok, they just like steal your videos and post them, and like you report them and nothing happens. And it was kind of like that on X a little bit. It was kind of like that on Instagram. That's actually why I ended up getting the blue check mark on both, just because I was like, dude, this is crazy. Just so many fake accounts. People DMing me multiple times a week. Hey, bro. I just got a DM from this guy. Is this you? I'm like, no, dude, I'm not. It's just, dude, it's a wild world out there. They're just Indian call centers going crazy, bro. Indian call centers having the time of their life, running up a bag. PB Blake had his own account banned for being a fake account. Yeah, I had one TikTok banned. That sucked. My first TikTok got banned. I was really disappointed. I had some good videos on there. I thought they were all backed up. They weren't. I couldn't even get the videos off of there. So that sucked. I had some really good videos, If you guys were around the trading community, the trading TikTok space in 2023, yeah, that was a interesting time. But yeah, I had a lot of good stuff on there. I couldn't recover, let alone like 30-something thousand followers that were just gone. Why the fuck do we not just take out January low? Fuck if I know, bro. It's just like inducement heaven right now, bro. It's literally we induce longs and then run them out. Induce longs, run them out. Induce longs, probably going to run them out. This has actually been very dangerous action if you're trying to like force a narrative. Honestly, either direction. Like even if you're forcing shorts, these pullbacks are still enough to potentially hurt you, like hurt your account or maybe stop you out. This is pretty dangerous action regardless. If you're forcing a narrative, could be bad. Really either side. Man. Even you know what else is crazy too? Like so this is what I'm looking at all times on my other monitor, boys. I'll pull it down. What I'm looking at all times on my other monitor is basically either a 3-way or a 4-way. I know my head's blocking the bottom left chart, which is YM. But this is kind of what I'm looking at all times. I have multiple tabs. I have the 15-minute, the 1 hour, the 4 hour, and I'm looking at these. I'm looking at this, right? I'm looking at ES, Dow Jones, NQ. Primarily, I'm focusing on these top two, right? ES and NQ. But I do have Dow Jones in the Russell here. I've never actually traded the Russell, and I'm not necessarily actively looking to trade YM or Russell, but I do see them, right? Just to kind of keep an eye on things, and you know, are we doing two opposite things at the same time? We were talking earlier this morning about Dow Jones was pushing up while NQ is pushing down. You know, we got still YM literally right here putting in equal highs at previous day high. Meanwhile, you got NQ selling off. ES is now kind of starting to play catch up with NQ. You got Russell selling off now. And it's like, okay, well, what does that mean for Y? Are we just going to leave equal highs here and then just tank? Like we're range bound, right? Like I think YM, ES, and Russell are really showing that. NQ is the only one that has left the previous daily range. We're trading below it currently. And Russell's inside the previous daily range. YM is inside the previous daily range. ES is inside the previous daily range. So the NQ is the only one that is left. But just it's already been such an interesting week, dude. Like Monday, let's just review a little bit, right? So Monday, we pump the pumpiest pumps you've ever pumped in your whole pumping life. Tuesday, the dumpiest dumps of dumps you've ever dumped in your whole dumping life. We had a government shutdown potentially happening yesterday. Then there's just kidding. Actually, no, that's actually not going to happen. But we've already removed. We didn't have the news yesterday. The data from yesterday, 10 a.m. that was supposed to hit. We removed NFP from the calendar. And yeah, like, anybody know what Biden is up to? If he wants to maybe come back, we're just joking. We're just joking, JB. We love you, man. We love you, dude. Come on back. We kept the seat warm for you. All right, what's going on here? Why is that not working now? Why is my ES chart not working? Never. Piss on you then. Piss on you. Blind Nico, you got your head and shoulders short? We love it. Listen, it was great content regardless, and great markets. Head and Shoulders, funny old days. Yeah, I know. But the thing is, they wouldn't be patterns if they never worked. They still work some. They still work. That's the funny part. Blind Nico literally just said Head and Shoulders right here, and he caught the short apparently. Check the reel. What did you send it in the Discord? Which one? This one? All right, I'm going to take a chance on you, Felix. Accurate. Accurate. Well, chat, what is it? 11:24. Oh, my goodness. I just like, what are we supposed to do here? I mean, January low is there. ES did just run out these equal lows. Fucking ES looks the cleanest right now. ES looks cleaner than everything. And we're still holding the hourly bullish gap. Like, we can't possibly want to short this until this gap gets inverse, right? Let's be reasonable, chat. We got to be reasonable. You can't sit here and try to count your chickens before they hatch. That's just not how this works. You know? This is probably an ungodly amount of points. Yup. Even if we were to do something like that, we'd have to be on MES. What's up, buddy? Bruh. He's messing with my plant, man. All right, he's just chilling. Inversion higher, maybe, yeah. That's kind of what I'm potentially waiting for here. And I'm just thinking that I'm going to take it on ES because hourly structure says it's stronger, so why fight it? Yeah, I'm going to... Oh, come on. There we go. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna go longs here on MES. Oh shit. In long stop at the low. Just inverse this BPR here, and we're still holding the hourly gap. This is the hourly candles. You guys can see them here. Still holding the hourly gap. This could potentially be putting in that lower wick, and then we see price potentially rally here. So nice low resistance run. Let's see if we can get it. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Do you love it or do you love it? We got Dow Jones really close to taking out the previous day high. Promise this trade will pass your account. I wish I could make such promises, but unfortunately, you know what? Yeah, it'll pass your account. It'll pass your account, but if it doesn't pass your account, I was just joking. New 30-minute candle here. You won't do it, Habibi. Habibi, if you go short and I go long, one of us will be right. Yeah, Nick, that's every trade. Well, last line in the sand here. Well, looking like an L. YM does not want that previous day high. Rejecting it. What's up, Ahmed? What a day, dude. Heartbreak and misery, dude. Yeah. I think the most insulting part of everything today is just the fact that the very first trade was a win and market or TRADEIFY was down. Oh, I can't make it up, bro. So far in 2026, in the morning, I felt like probably the... Oh my god, bro. This is fucking wild. Feel like a little bit unlucky, a little bit just like... fucked. We're not dead yet. We're hanging by a thread. You go long. Trump does nuke the market. Listen, if I went short today, we'd already be at all-time highs. No doubt about it. No doubt about it. Well, funny enough, I did try to go short, actually. That's where this day started. All right, boys. Stop loss is incoming. And there she blows. Don't worry, at least that one copy traded all of them. Why is it not? Delete that shit. All right. 2 L's on longs. 2 decent setups, I felt like, at least, but lower we go. There's a January low. Well, I guess I'll be done for the morning. Gonna probably still be looking for longs, though, to be honest. in the afternoon, but it's looking like this hourly candle, 20 minutes left on it. So if this just wicks all the way back up, that's just ass. But probably gonna seek lower prices here on ES for sure. YM turning around right here at the previous day high is funny. Russell's dumping. Oh, bro. Frustrating day, honestly. Could have been one and done with the green short, but God had other plans. So got fucked, chat. Got fucked. Down 900 on 6 accounts. The Lucid accounts, I didn't copy trade the first one. So those are down 400. Bummer. Bummer, bummer, bummer. So, I don't know, man. Gonna hop off for now, though. This thing is just grinding down. I'm gonna go collect my thoughts. Go to the gym. Figure out where I can reach BB Netanyahu and just beg for mercy at this point. All right. Sad, but appreciate you guys. Hit the like button. Hit the like button. The market can kick us, knock us down, but it won't keep us down forever. So that's that. Last day of the 90% off sale for Apex, boys and girls. Take advantage if you wish. But, oh my goodness. I will, I'll keep you guys updated on X if I take anything else today, but brutal, man. Brutal for different reasons, but brutal across the board. Oh, thank you, Debbie. How did everybody do today, though, man? Fuck me. Tough. Thanks, Abibis. Nika says fucked. Shav's up 73. Am I regulated? What do you mean? Am I regulated? Took 3 shorts, 2 wins, 1 break even, 0 trades, up 200. Got cooked, yeah. I'm really just like, I think what's bumming me out the most is just the fact that, like, the first thing I said on stream this morning was I wanted previous day lows and wanted to go short because of it and did try to go short. And then, like, the fact that it just didn't let me execute, and then these lows get taken, and then I go for longs, and they were like decent setups, but it was just obviously inducement, obviously fake outs, right? So I think that's why I'm a little bit bummed out. It just feels like, you know when your girl's like, oh, trust me, babe, that's the guy that she tells you not to worry about, and then you have this feeling, you're just like, dude, I know something's going on here. But you being naive, you're just like, you know what? I'll just believe her. I'll just trust her on it. And then you guys break up, and then sure enough, boom, a week later, she's with the guy she told you not to worry about. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of like that's what this kind of feels like today. Does that make sense? I think that kind of makes sense. Good little analogy. So that's maybe why I'm feeling a little bit bummed out about it, because I feel like I got played. Because I feel like I got played by just the universe today, but son of a gun. Son of a gun, you know? What does a guy do, though? What does a guy do? Look at that shit. Oh, yeah, I just want to do a little internal sweep, generate more liquidity for later. We'll come back for it at some point. Just not now. You're going to get tired of winning. We're going to be winning so much. You're going to say, sir, please, please, no more winning. All right. Let's get the hell out of here, chat. I'll keep you guys updated if I take anything else. I don't know. I got no words, man, after today. It's just an L. It's just an L. All right, so we'll be back live tomorrow, chat. We'll be back live tomorrow. Looking ahead, we do have unemployment claims, which is still tentative, but that's pre-market. But we'll see. I don't know if they're going to add NFP. I don't know. Are they going to add NFP back to the economic calendar on Friday? I really don't know. As of now, it's not. So guess we'll have to wait and see. But geez, dude, this week. All right, guys. Enjoy your Wednesday. Don't be a degenerate. Don't force shit. If you're red on the day, take it like a champ. Take it like a champ. Wait for something higher probability either later on or Tomorrow's a new day. That's all we can do. That's all we can do, chat. That's all we can do. All right, don't do anything you're going to regret. Don't be silly. I'll see you guys back here tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And, yeah, we'll have our vengeance here at some point, boys. Stay patient. Keep using good risk management. Don't let these markets... The markets may win the battle, but they won't win the war. All right? That's the mindset. Enjoy your Wednesday. You hear me? Don't be a little sourpuss. Plenty of reasons to live. Don't plug the toaster in. Don't fill the bath up. We'll be back. We'll be back. Enjoy your Wednesday, everybody. Peace and love. Oops. Misclick.